Let us see how to start Excel. Click on Start button. Start menu appeared. Go to Search Program, File box. Type Excel, and press Enter. Click on Microsoft Office Excel. In the search result. This is your Excel window. Alternatively, you can open Excel window, like this. Press Window key, and R key, simultaneously, on the keyboard. Run box appeared. You can type Excel in it. Then click OK. You know, this is your Excel window. We are going to see different most pointers of Excel spreadsheets, which were designed for their unique purpose. See this plus mouse pointer, it appears on Excel spreadsheet grid. It enables you to select this cell. See this down arrow mouse pointer. When you keep the mouse on the column header, your mouse pointer will turn into down arrow mouse pointer. It enables you to select the column. This most pointer, the shape is similar to I. It appears when you move your mouse towards the formula bar. It enables you to make the cursor available in the formula bar. This is the arrow mouse pointer. It appears when you move the mouse over the menu. Down arrow mouse pointer. This is a two-headed arrow mouse pointer. This appears when you keep the mouse in between the junction of two columns. It enables you to resize the column. This is the right arrow mouse pointer, which enables you to select the row. This is the two-headed arrow mouse pointer. It would appear when you keep your mouse in between the junction of two rows. It enables you to resize the row high. This is the plus mouse pointer. It would appear when you place your mouse pointer in the corner of the selected cell. It enables you to select the multiple cells. This is a four-headed arrow. This enables you to move the selection of cells to other locations. You are going to see how to select the desired cell using arrow keys of the keyboard. Press left arrow key to move left side. Press right arrow key to move right side. For each press, the active cell moves one cell. To move up, press up arrow key. Similarly, to move down, press down arrow key. Now let us see how to navigate an Excel spreadsheet using a keyboard. To move one step forward, press Tab key. To move backward, press and hold the Shift key, and then press Tab. See, this is the way to select the part of the spreadsheet area using a mouse. Choose the cell to start, and then drag the mouse. Dragging means press and hold the mouse left button, and then move. This is the selected area of the spreadsheet.